Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crocheted baby blanket patterns. Different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crocheted blanket patterns. Those babies who love such type of blanket patterns. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful baby crocheted blanket patterns, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can see turtle on our home page. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy. So thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.